Hi, my name is Jason Salas, and like you, I'm in the educational technology department at Boise State. I do work currently at a small Catholic school in Charleston, South Carolina, where I'm the director of technology. But I am finishing up this program at Boise State so that I can do more with my current job and possibly lead to other things later on. I got into this degree program. My school was offering to help. I wanted to be more equipped to do the job that I currently have. And so I was sponsored to learn more through this program. And I'm glad I did because I have learned from my courses in online teaching, graphic design, coding, um, theory based classes with research and so forth, how to be a better teacher and how to bring those artifacts to the classroom to help students. Hasn't always been easy. A challenge was balancing my work life and home life. I have three small children, so really had to work hard on getting everything done and doing it still in high quality. But I pride myself on my hard work, and I think I've been able to balance that pretty well. But wouldn't have been possible without the online, the archiving, the artifacts, and the support from my peers and flexibility of the schedule. So that's been wonderful. Um, One big kind of moment for me as I developed was all these different things I can do with educational technology. I can go into graphic design, I can go into online teaching, I can go into uh, programming or network administration or anything with teaching or computers. There's really a wide variety. So happy that I got involved in this because so many different avenues that it will take me down. Um, so for my future, kind of just going back to my current job, I do work at a K-12 school, um, but I can get into online teaching. I can get into um, coding. I can do more with what I teach them. I can do more with where this will take me. It could take me to South Carolina online teaching adults, or it could take me to getting in more certifications in Google, Microsoft, so forth, Cisco, and work in private industry in that way, or just with what I've learned already and do training or help to teach people within a business and have them utilize the best of their talents and work productively together. So using technology. So I'm excited about it. Thank you so much.